Hello friends, I'm Andrei Rosselev, worldwide fashion and portrait photographer. This time I visited Naples for my new workshop and for an editorial shooting of printed magazine in magnificent locations of this Italian city. My tasks often require being ready to shoot at any time at any location, regardless of the characteristics of natural light. The Godox AD300 Pro Flash is my favorite tool, allowing me to solve most of my tasks on outdoor. The speed of equipment assembly is important to me, therefore I find the Parabolic Softbox ADS85 an excellent solution. It is a quickly assembled and disassembled and has a light weight. A great tool if you need to achieve harmony between natural light and flash. It has excellent ergonomics. I really appreciated the mobility and the versatility of solution in Godox equipment. Portability and lightweight make it easy to change the direction of the flash, for example, such as sliding side or reflected light. My second universe light modifier is a reflector ADR14. I use it either in hard sunshine for shadows control or in fashion shoots to emphasize the texture and gloss the pictures. During my workshop we have different weather conditions throughout the day, from hard sunshine and variable clouds to cloudy raining weather, and also as late evening after sunset. I was able to quickly adjust to any conditions even using manual flash mode. This is a great equipment test that works at its limit during the day. It takes up a little space in the back. I can quickly prepare this equipment for work. An assistant can hold it in his hands for a long time and not get tired. If you work skillfully with the settings and exposure, the flash power is enough even in such hard sunshine conditions and deep shadows. I will also point out the advantages. Lightweight matters when you travel. It affects the weight of your luggage. When changing locations, you are less tired and have more energy to work on location. As a result, we have an excellent tool capable of solving various tasks, with an excellent combination of power, lightweight and price.